Hi, this is David from FreetimeTech.com. We are back with version 2 of our Debloater for Windows 10. It should work with version 2004 and 20H2 2009, May and October 2020 Windows 10. This utility creates a Windows 10 Debloat PowerShell script from your choices. In this version, you can directly run the script you made from the program. This tool is highly configurable with user-editable text files. You can also save your presets to share with others. Here, I'll show you how it works without going through the inner workings of the program. Once you download the software from our website, link below, copy the Windows 10 Debloat v2 folder onto your desktop, for example. It should have 8 files. Launch Windows 10 Debloat. You might see this pop up preventing you from running our program. Don't worry, we're just a new software developer, so that's why you see this. Click More Info and run anyway. You will be presented with many tabs with many radio buttons to choose from. In the Options menu, there are 2 presets you can choose from to start off with. They are Default and Minimum. Maximum will be created in the future. You can probably guess what each radio button does by reading the name. After going through all the tabs, there is one last tab called Output. This is where everything comes together. By pressing the Output PowerShell button, all your choices will be written to this text window. Here you can do 2 things. 1. Save the text into a PowerShell script by clicking the Save As button. 2. Run the PowerShell script now by pressing the Run PowerShell button. And that's it. In the next part of this video, I'll show you how to save and run the script manually. After outputting the PowerShell script to the text window, using the Output PowerShell button, click Save As. Save it as something unique in the same folder as the rest of the files. I typed in my PS. In the Windows 10 Debloat v2 folder on the desktop, click File menu, open Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Type in this command and run it. Click Y, enter. Now run the script by typing in // and your script name. In this case, my PS period PS1. In the next part of this video, I'll show you how to save your radio button choices to share with others. Let's start with the default preset. Click Options menu and choose Default. Choose your options. In the Output tab, click Output Radio Buttons. The text window will show you what your choices are. Click Save As and save it as something unique. I typed in my settings to share. Now let's test it. Clear all. Open your settings you just saved. We hope you like our utility. Let us know by commenting below. We create software regularly. Subscribe to get notified when we create something.